What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my clear skin routine. Don't worry, this will be a short video because my clear skin routine is simple. When it comes to my skin, I love to kiss. I love keeping it simple. Products are so expensive and I don't want to spend a lot of money. So today I'm going to show you 4 things, 5 if I'm wearing makeup, but particularly 4 things that I use on my skin to clear it up and maintain a clear, clean skin. Regardless of the amount or the brand makeup you're wearing, a flawless finish requires a clean, clear skin. Moreover, you don't want to wear makeup every day. You want a clean, clear skin so you can run errands without makeup and just give your pores a breath, just make your pores breathe, you know. So I'm going to show you my steps. Keep in mind, this is my routine that I've learned through trials and errors. We are all different and we all have different skin, so what may work for me may not work for you. If you have a routine that you're following now, no problem, because if you have something that works for you, no need to go around looking for other things just because you see a video. But before we jump into the video, you know I have to put this out there. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It's free, and turn your notification bells on, and feel free to get as active as you'd like in the comment section. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this wipes, and I want to let you know that I use this wipes to take my makeup off. So this would be one of my steps if I was wearing makeup. And these are regular generic wipes from Walmart. I'll go ahead and insert pictures because I know it's gonna wash me out, but I'm gonna show you it anyways right here. It's this wipes right here. It's the generic brand. It's called Equate, so that's a Walmart brand. And it said exfoliating wet cleansing towel. It said 99% natural derived ingredients. I started using this because I was using another Equate one that had cucumber and green tea, and they don't have it no more. I don't know what happened. That was a really good one, but I realized that this kind of make my face feel the same. It's textured. It's 60 wipes in the package and it's textured. It looks like this and it has like little bumps in it, so it exfoliates your face. So what this means is just that it cleans the dead skin off. It rubs off the dead skin, whatever. Even if you have like a little pimple and it's drying up, this can rub it off, and it's really nice. A lot of times I see whitehead in my face and I'll just use this to rub it off, and then I'll just continue the routine. But these are really nice, and I just use 3 to clean my face if I'm wearing makeup, and this can take all the makeup off. 3 of them. I'll be 100% honest with you. When I use this to clean my face, I do not wash it or use anything else. When I'm wearing makeup, I just use this to clean my face, and then I continue to use my serums and things that I'm gonna show you. But this is what I start with if I'm wearing makeup, even sometimes when I'm not wearing makeup. Another thing you will need is a nice clean white towel. I buy these by the packs, just regular white washcloth. So now that I've told you about the washcloth and the exfoliating wipes, let's go ahead and show you the 4 things that I use on my face daily, on a daily basis, to maintain a clean and clear skin. The first thing I use on my face every single day is this. And this is the Garnier Skin Active Blackhead Eliminating Scrub with Charcoal. It unclogs pores and clear complexion. And this said it's for oily skin with blackheads, and that was me. I had oily skin and I had blackheads. I don't have oily skin so much now. I consider my skin nowadays combination. This has real microbeads, and there's not a lot of facial scrubs on the market nowadays with real microbeads. A lot of them have plastic beads. I use this every day. This is a part of my clear skin routine. So basically every day I'm exfoliating, but the beads are small and a little smooth. After I exfoliate my skin with that Garnier Skin Active, I usually just pat dry my face with a damp towel, not a dry towel, because a dry towel is gonna dry it out too much. You don't want the abrasion of a dry towel. You need a damp towel, and I usually just pat dry my face, and then I put on some serum, some vitamin C serum and hyaluronic acid. This is the one I use, but use any serum that you would like. After I use that serum, I use a moisturizing cream, whatever moisturizing cream that works for you, and I just rub it on my face. Don't forget to rub your neck. And already my face is feeling so good and smooth and moisturized if you want to stop there. But I don't stop there. I do have a Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro. It's called a Perfectionist Pro, and it's a treatment, and it's like this. And what I do, I just put 2 pumps on the back of my hand. Again, rub it together in the palm of my hand, and I just put that on my face. And after I'm done with all that, all I do is just put a little Vaseline lip therapy on my lips. And that's it. That is my clear skin routine. That's all I do to my skin. I don't buy 100 products. So I basically showed you guys everything that I use except for the cream that I used on my face. So if you really want to know the cream that I use on my face, you can drop in the comment and I'll share the cream with you. So there you have it. I've shown you my full clear skin routine. The only thing I didn't show you is the cream. But remember, if you're getting breakout, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's the products that you're using. A lot of times we're getting breakout and we think it's what we're putting on our skin externally, but it's not always like that. Sometimes it's what we're ingesting, sometimes it's your food, sometimes it's not getting enough water, sometimes it's a lot of different things. So if you find that you've been using something for a while and it was agreeing with your skin, but then you start getting breakouts, you want to check your diet. You want to drink a lot of water, because that's the best for your skin, to moisturize your skin and keep your skin looking young and fresh and keep the elasticity in your skin. So want to eat a lot of greens and vegetables and not taking too many grease and not eating too much sugar. Those things can cause breakout too. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next upload. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.